Ever struggled to get the same character twice with AI art? You're not alone, but what if I told you there's a secret to making your characters consistent every single time? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to generate an anime-style young man in Midjourney. You'll be able to place him in different environments, poses, and activities, all while keeping his face, hair, and outfit consistent. Whether he's in action or relaxing, you'll have full control over his unique look in every scene. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open Midjourney and get set up so we can keep all of our work organized. Head over to the Midjourney server on Discord. Once you're in, select a room to start generating. To make sure everything stays in one place, right-click on the Midjourney bot and hit message. Now everything you create will be saved right here in your chat. This way, you won't lose track of your prompts, and everything stays neat and organized as we dive into creating our consistent character. Now type /settings. This will bring up the settings menu. Inside the model selection menu, scroll down and pick the Niji model. This one's designed just for anime characters. And don't forget to turn on remix mode. You're gonna need it later, trust me. So if you're here, I'm guessing you've done this before. You type out a super detailed prompt, hit enter, and boom, a cool character appears. Feeling pretty proud, right? Until you try it again. And surprise, that cool character is now a completely different person, like your AI forgot who they were. It's like playing AI roulette every time. 1 minute, you've got your dream anime hero, and the next, it's like they signed up for a whole new anime series. But no worries, this is where the real magic comes in. I'm going to show you how to stop this madness and keep your character looking consistent no matter how many times you hit that generate button. The secret? It's called cref. This feature helps Midjourney remember all the important details. Your character's face, hair, outfit, you name it. Even when you switch up the background or in the action, think of it like giving Midjourney a memory card for your character. It's like an AI cheat sheet. I'll show you how that works in a bit. So, first we're going to create a character sheet. This is a trick to give Midjourney some solid references by showing your character from different angles. Here's the prompt. Full body turnaround. Young man, blue eyes, dark hair, classy style clothing. That full body turnaround bit, that's the secret sauce. It gives us front, side, and back views of the character. Pick the image you like and upscale it. I like the third one, so I'll hit U3 to upscale the image. Once you've got your character from all angles, grab your snipping tool or whatever you like to use for screenshots and snap each view, front, side, back. Basically, we are making a complete character sheet. Then we'll upload those snapshots right back into Midjourney. This gives you solid references so your character stays consistent no matter how many times you switch up the background or pose. Problem solved. Now let's take our character and drop him into a medieval city. All we need to do is type out scenic view, followed by our character's description in a medieval city. But here's the key part. At the end, type --c ref and then just drag and drop each snapshot of our character. If you get this error, just make sure to put a space in between each link. If you want to give Midjourney a little more creative freedom with your character's look, there's a way to do that by adjusting the character weight. Think of it like a slider. It's a number between 0 and 100, with 100 as a default parameter, but you can tweak it anywhere between 0 and 100, depending on how much control you want to keep. After generating a few images, I've found that keeping it at 50 gives you the best results. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Copying all those reference links for each prompt is a pain. Luckily, there's an easier way. We can make our own shortcut. Just type preferred option set. Give your character a name, let's say Ash, then hit +1 more to bring up the value box. Add in --c ref followed by the image links. Now, whenever you need Ash, just type his name and you're good to go. Finally, we've got everything set up, so let's go and have some fun with it. Here's Ash walking through the neon-filled streets of Tokyo. Looks awesome, except for one thing. Midjourney decided he needs glasses. Not quite what I had in mind. Let's fix that. Click on Vary Region, grab the lasso tool, and highlight the area you want to adjust. And just like that, Ash is back to perfect vision. No glasses required. So I tried to get Ash into an epic battle with a beast, but Midjourney isn't really into violence. It kept just placing them side by side like they're posing for a group photo. After a few tries, though, I finally got this shot of Ash actually fighting a mythical creature. Took a bit of persistence, but it was worth it. And here we have Ash chilling with a glass of whiskey, straight out of a 1990s anime. Or you might want to make him contemplate his life in midair. Okay, this one has nothing to do with the prompt, but I still love it. Now you've got the skills to lock in your character and keep them looking sharp across every generation. No more roulette. So, guys, I want to see what you all create. Share your amazing art on Instagram, tag me, and I'll feature my top 3 favorites in my next video. Let's celebrate your creativity together. Can't wait to see what you come up with. We've done it, Wilson. We've done it at last. We can now generate the same guy over and over again.